सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello, welcome friends. Welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we are going to learn how to create a social media banner using Adobe Illustrator. So friends, from today I start online classes for graphics designing. So for that I want to make a banner design for social media advertisement. So my size will be 500 pixel into 500 pixels. It means it is a square artboard for creating Instagram social media. So here I make an artboard here, and today I make a social media designing for online courses. So friends, I am going to start online courses from today. If you have any reference, so please give them my contact number, and you can visit our site here, and you can DM me also, right? I make a rectangle here, then I make a rectangle, it's gray color, then I just copy this and press Ctrl D for transform again. So after that I make a ellipse here, select both of them, go to object, clip mask and make, and rotate it from corner, right? Right click, arrange, send it to back, right? Then I go to window. In window menu I have symbol library and I have dot patterns. In dot patterns I want to apply this pattern here, and I want to change the color of the pattern. So what I do, I just decrease the size, go to object and expand it, right? After expanding, go to eyedropper tool and pick the gray color, right? And I place this one here, right click, arrange, send to back, right? So the next step is I want to import an image, I mean place an image. So here I go, I just place an image here, fine. I just drag it and select both of them, go to object and mask it, clip mask, make. Then I want to write some text here and change the font face into this font and increase the size. So friends, I am going to start graphics designing courses, online graphics designing courses. If you are interested, if your friends are interested, so please a reference for me. Then I make a rectangle here. If you want to know about me, so please you can contact me also, and you can DM me also. And for first and second batch I give them discount 40 to 50% off. You can contact me with this number. Neither you can send me message through WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook, right? And I need some social media icon here, right? I place some social media icon here, and here is my design for social media banner, right? So this one for Instagram, and I want to make another banner. So go to artboard and create an artboard. So here what I want to do, Ah, select both of them, go to object, clip mask, make. So here it is. Go to text tool, I want to write something here, and I just increase the size and align center. Go to character palette and change the color into white color, right? And then I copy and paste the social media site. I just copy paste this one, right click, arrange, bring it to front. Fine. The next step is I want to create another artboard here, and I just copy paste these things. Right, and then I create another artboard. So here is my design for social media site, for basically for Instagram. So I make a 4 ad for my upcoming classes. So if you want to join my classes, so please contact with me with this number. Neither you can DM me with this number also. So thank you for watching.